So hi Prajwal, I believe it is your last day here at Gurudeva's Academy, and you had come to us on 17th of October, is 15 days back, for the NDA entry. So Prajwal, I just want you first of all to tell me, from where did you come to Gurudeva's Academy, who suggested you to come here, and what is in general your background? Yes Prajwal.
Sir, I came from Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. I live in a village and which is lying in the remote jungle area. One of my remote area friend, Ujjwal Singh, who is recommended in NDA 148 course, suggested me to come here. I am the first from my village to clear NDA exam, written exam.
Oh my God, that's a great.
Sir, talking about my family background, I belong to a defense background as my uncle is in BSF, and I remember that day when he came first on maternal leave, and I was 6 years old. I wake up till 3 a.m. in night, and when he put out his shoes out, I put my leg inside the shoes. The shoe size was 9 and I was only 6 years old, and I determined to wear that uniform. The interest got increased by when my elder brother joined Assam Rifle as a rifleman, and my father also made 3 excellent in recruitment rally, but he got out in chest measurement. He always motivated me to join armed forces.
Okay, so all this pushed you, motivated you to walk on this path of joining the Indian Armed Forces. So how did you prepare for the written exam? As you said, you are the first one from your village to crack it.
Sir, I prepared written exam from my school, math, science from my school teachers, and for general awareness I read newspaper and saw current affair video on YouTube, and I read Pathfinder for the general awareness and GK.
That's great. You said your village name is Chandauli.
Udaipura, district Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, district Chandauli.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Right. So you are presently in 12th class. Is
yes,
that
sir.
so?
Yes,
and
sir.
you have secured around 92% in your class 10th.
Yes, sir.
What are you expecting as far as the 12th is concerned?
Yeah, sir. More than 90%.
More than 90. Well, that's simply superb, Prajwal. So yes, you told us that you came to us right from UP to Pune on your friend's recommendation. Ujjwal Singh, of course, he was our candidate who made it into the NDA. So Prajwal, I would just now like to know, did coming at Gurudeva's really help you? How was your experience here? Did you find that you took the right decision of coming all the way from Uttar Pradesh to Gurudeva's, or in general your experience here about the 15 days you spent here?
Sir, I absolutely take the right decision. I remember that when I came here for first date and the GPE class was conducted by you, I was unable to say a single word in the class, and you told me, don't worry, in the last you will speak frequently. And today's last day in the PPDT test, I got screened in by the Himani ma'am with 65 marks in GD, 65 marks in narration and 60 marks in story. That's the improvement. The Himani ma'am work a lot for my story writing, my narration, and he pushes me to give my best in the GD.
That's simply superb. So how are you feeling, Prajwal? Do you feel that you will do it in this attempt, or you feel you are still not ready, or you feel you need to? What is your general feeling as you are going to leave us today? Yeah.
I feel better. I believe in myself, and I believe what you have taught to me and what the Gurudeva's staff had taught to me. I am best in feeling better in story narration, story, GD, GTO and lecturate. And the personal interview taken by Chauhan sir and Subodh sir was excellent. That already filled me that I have potential to give my best, and I can do in first attempt.
Okay, just one last thing. Didn't you feel scared coming from a small village to a city like Pune? Didn't you feel how will I able to speak and participate? There will be boys and girls from better schools than me, or having better English. Were you scared any time, or you thought no, I have to do it anyways? Yeah.
No sir, I am not scared anyway, because my mother always motivate me to take initiative. And he always support me and my whole family, and support me to give my best. And when I came here, Gurudeva, I got many best friends, many seniors. That was the JCOs of army who act as my parents in the hostel, teach me what I am not doing well, why, and the teachers also motivate me. The friendly environment I feel in Gurudeva.
Well, Prajwal, it was simply superb to train a candidate like you are portraying what India is today, what India's youth is today. Despite not having that great facilities, you have just soar your way through, and you have secured 90% in 12th year, 90 in 10th, and you have cracked the NDA on your own. And I have no doubts, Prajwal, if you keep working hard, you will definitely in your first attempt crack the NDA, and one day we'll see you in a uniform. All the best, Prajwal.
Thank you,
It was
sir.
simply superb.
I always feel you proud.
Thank you so much, Prajwal. All the best. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.